going on, everybody? That's fine. Looks like, look at this mess. These candles. Oh, look at that. 1:27 a.m. What's that about? Excuse me. Trapped. We opened lower with a gap, a big gap. Try to close that gap overnight. We still have to fill that gap in New York. In the New York session. So let's mark that gap up. Green for gap. All right. Not the normal candles we've been seeing. We got a lot of wicks. So we'll see what today's price action brings. Intermission banners. Media first. Where's the text? It just popped up on my screen saying 7 outdated drivers. Stop lying. Maybe it ain't. I don't know. I wasn't even using this computer phone. Don't look like we gonna get no good price action this morning. But boom, boom. What's going on? Did we short into that? Want to flip back bearish? Well, let's see. Actually, still bearish. Sea water boiling. Boom, boom, boom. Shut up. Whoa. Feel that. Oh, be quiet. I was speaking today. Let's see. Let's see. Today we got industrial production, 915, month over month, year over year. Manufacturing production, month over month, year over year. Business inventories, month over month. Let's see, we got crude. We got some crude numbers coming out at 10:30. Some crude oil numbers. 17-week bill auction at 11:30. Fed Hammock speech, 20-year bond auction. Powell was speaking today. At 1:30, we got Powell speaking. So maybe that's why the markets are. We'll see. We'll see what kind of movement we get until then. So I keep, let me see. I don't need to add it to the calendar. Just pull it up. Make sure we cover it. Try to get it. Oh no, actually I will be live at that time, so never mind. What is that? 1:30. All right. Is Tara's news overnight? What? Oh yeah, Nvidia. Marcus aren't doing anything. We're kind of just sitting here flat. What's going on? Who's in here with me? Good morning. Good morning. How you feeling today? Got about 33 minutes until the market opens. I got my tea in front of me. Just give me 1 second. Got Powell speaking at 11:30. I'm gonna be live though, so I'm sorry, at 1:30 Powell speaking. Come on, guys. What is going on? Sideways. Is this a bottom for now? Don't know. Look like it's trying to curl up, but cloud is bearish. RSI is bearish, below negative, below neutral. MACD is bullets. But as you can see, it's lighter green, so the buying pressure is starting to decrease. Still just kind of stuck in a range here. Where does it show flat? Who's speaking at 1:30? Fed Powell, Jerome Powell. It's flat because you see how price isn't going anywhere. So you can like imagine this line here. These just formed, but when I said that it was here, you see that how price is just, that would be called like a floor. And never mind, the wicks is trying to break the floor, but the buyers, this wicks is just letting you know that the buyers are buying it back up in this area and keeping it above there. As you can see, we're back down here again and see that green candle forming. But that's like, it's just going flat, you know? I mean, it's like, where's my square? It's just flat. You can see that. We draw a box around that. See how prices just, it just broke it though. It broke it before, but now it broke it. And now it's continuing to the downside. So we had a leg lower. We had consolidation, continuation. Ooh. We got all this. Oh, that's an empty pocket. I need to get short. That's an empty pocket. Why am I missing this right now? I gotta get short. 6 seconds, 5 seconds. I'm getting short. Hopefully this next candle like pushes up a little. No, it's not going to. I wanted it. We just flipped bearish. Yeah, I wanted to push up a little bit so I can try to go short. Maybe come back up and test this area. Come on, push back up. Go test. I was about to say, oh no, this is not going back up. It doesn't want me to get in. I'm getting in. You know, I'm getting in. Oh, I knew it was gonna do that. Look, now it went about. That's why you always gotta be patient. I wanted it to come here. I should have waited. First trade of the day. Not starting off too good. I wanted it to come here. Test and reject. Get short there. But now I got to sit through the drawdown. See if it goes there and rejects. If it doesn't, I took a loss. If it does, I will make less profits than I could have made if I waited. You see how they faked me out? That was a good fake out though, ain't it? They was like, they opened. It was like, no, I'm not going. I'm not going to retest. They know people waiting on a retest. I'm not going to retest. And then it went to, and I was like, all right, train leaving the station. I'm getting short. I'll sit through a little drawdown. And then immediately it pops and then goes and tests. See, even though it's coming back, it would have been beautiful to get short there. Dum 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 dum. Popping back up. Bullish divergence. After that leg lower. Actually, this could potentially. Oh yeah, flip bullish. I got a bullish divergent. Looks like they're trying to push it back up into this level, back above that line. Which is why it would have been good to go wait here to go short here. Because then our risk would have been a little more defined, like a little smaller. From here, like back above here, the zone. Which is still where it's at, but I would have lost money. I mean, I would have lost less money than from this red bar to that red bar. Blue bar. From my entry, which is the red, to my stop, which is the blue. And I really don't want to stop that high. I really want it like at this level where the white line is, but if it comes there, it could just play around and reject. So kind of trade I entered into, so I have to kind of just be careful and watch it. Just retested the 635s. Okay, that might be a trap if we don't break this level. Okay, we're breaking it. We're breaking it. It should break it, but it's NASDAQ. You know how NASDAQ like to do. I need like another little desk piece, like I don't know, something. Maybe something to put these markers in would be nice. Yeah, I'll buy a cup. And then something for my eraser. would be nice. All right, the trade might work out in our favor, but you can see where I pull back at is where I wanted to enter at. But I'm only human. After all, can't put the blame on me. So being a human, sometimes you just don't enter in at the perfect moment, even though you should wait. Sometimes you don't want to miss the bus. And then they be like, oh, the bus wasn't even leaving. We tricked you. Alright. Nah, this is support. We need to break this. We just bounced there again for a higher low. We need to break it for this trade to work. Or it's just gonna bounce and go higher. Okay, it's breaking it a little bit. What time is it? 9:08. Nah, it's bouncing. That's what I figured was gonna happen. Because of this little white candle here, there was no follow through after that candle. Weak about the body. The body of it is kind of weak. It's doji like. Broke my cups, all of them. Should we get out? Yeah, I should have got out. Too slow. We got the ooh. What was that? What was that? What was that? MACD is trying to flip bullish. We're still below the 9, below the 21, below the VWAP, below the 200. Cloud is bearish, so. But this is kind of price tested here twice, so they can play their little game, pull it back, even way up to my stop if they want, and then continue lower. You never know until they do what they do. Battling right there. I want to get out. That's a battle. I want to get out. Bullish divergence. How much power does it have? Back above the 9. I'm trying to wait to see what they're really trying to do because it's the NASDAQ. It'll try to. So we can be doing another one of these that we did up here until we break it, or we can really turn around and go back into that level. So just kind of waiting to see what they do. MACD trying to, the moving averages are trying to curl up. Yeah, they're pushing it. They're pushing it. Hello. Hi, honey. Still trying to see if the trade will play out or not. Ooh, not. I don't like that. Yeah. Buyers are trying to come in. Curling up. Probably should exit. My finger is on the X. Yeah, ready to get out the trade. It's down $32. I'm still trading micros. Just in case. I do not want to get caught in one of those big candles and blow the account. But when I get my 150K back, I'll trade minis. So this is like that grind account, you know? If the moves are there, you can make some good money. If not, you just grind it up 200, 300 a day. That's why you want to have multiple accounts. And you just copy trade them. You know, so your 200 turn into how many ever accounts you got. Yeah, this is going up. We're about a 21 now. I'm cutting it. I cut that trade like a $43 loss. I thought it was $43 loss. It'll probably break this level, honestly. I don't know, but not really. Because that leg was smaller. But I don't like what it's doing right now. They probably gonna continue up to the RSI, get it probably above neutral or to the in 80s, 70s, 80s before they pull it back, or not. I'm just speculating. Barro's pizza place, but pizza or don't they have? Oh no, that's Sorrento's. That's where that was at. Oh, this thing ain't finna go. I ain't have to ask for my trade. They tricked me. They faked me out. It's alright. We're gonna wait for a better one. Started playing with these little. It would be nice if it's. Let me see. If it flip. Power was speaking today, so I don't know. I don't know. The price action might not be that good today because all these wicks was in the. Sometimes you get a move, but you know, they'll wait so the markets can digest whatever he's gonna say. I don't know what he's speaking about though. Let me see.